Hello and welcome to a brand new video. This week's video is my prints haul and they are all from Desenio. I know a lot of people talk about Desenio, but I absolutely love it. They've got so much choice, so many different styles and colours, and all for an absolute bargain. The majority of them, they've always got offers on. So I am in my home today showing you around all the different prints I have collected. So over the last 6 months, I think I've collected all these. So I show you my dressing room, which I'm in now. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 prints in here. There's 2 in my kitchen and then there's 1 in my living room. So I really hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned because I'm going to take you to all of those rooms to show you every print I have and explain to you a little bit about me buying them. And I will say the prices and everything will be linked below as well. And then if you stay for the end, there will be a montage of all of the prints. So I am in my living room right now. This is the print I'm here to talk about. This is the only one we have in here at the moment. And I absolutely love this. Like I said, they're all from Desenio. So this one is called White Owl. And I will show you a close-up of it in a minute, but the owl has actually got a blue eye, and I don't know if you can see the wallpaper behind me. Our theme in our living room was a duck egg blue and like whites and creams, so that's why I went for this one. I particularly love this one. Anthony wasn't too sure at first. So this size is the 50 by 70 centimetres and it cost £21.95. And I really like this. The frame is from Dunelm, but here it was in a, like I'll show you later on, but it was in a bit of an awkward space. We had a bit of a blank spot here and it just needed something there. So I like that because owls are wise, and I like to think I'm wise, but I'm not. And as you can see, it's quite, I can't actually reach the top of it. So that's why I've got my camera like really far up, I'm like on my tiptoes here, so you can get both me and the owl in the frame. So here is another very bad angle because again I've got in a really awkward position. So this is in my kitchen. My kitchen is not how I like it. The only thing I like about it are these. It's the only thing I've chosen for it so far before we get it sorted, our kitchen, before we renovate it. So these are the 2 I have in the kitchen. Now the first one, it says, "May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short." I really like this one. They are both in A4 size. It's 21 by 30 centimetres, and that one cost us £5.95. And the other one up here, as you can see, they're just slightly off symmetrical. Because this is my coffee area. I've got a kettle and my mugs there. So this is my whole setup, that's why I've got 2 coffee things here. So this one is a coffee guide, and basically I've got the picture here. It's the same size. This one costs £6.95 and basically tells you how to make cappuccino, dry cappuccino, Americano, mocha, latte, double espresso, you know, like all that stuff. So I really like it. I think it needs a new frame perhaps, and not a black one, because I think it needs something that's a bit older looking, if you know what I mean. Anthony wasn't particularly keen on those either, but he's not a coffee drinker, so we're here in the final room. This is my dressing room, and I've got lots of different areas of my dressing room because I've got my makeup station and all that stuff. So here we're at the fashion station, so it goes perfectly with my rail here with all my clothes on it. So as you can see, this is a size 21 by 30, that's the A4 size, and it just basically spells out fashion. Now this wall is really bare. There's literally this next to it and then that whole wall is just bare. So I felt like it needed something else. It needed something to make this area of my room a bit better. So this one cost £5.75. So the next print I want to talk about is this one, which is called The Girl at the Window. Really simple name, but here is my dressing table this side, and this is just the shelving. And as you can see, I've got a nice setup here with the fake peonies, I've got a tray, and I've got a room diffuser, and this is just like my makeup bits. Ignore this bit now. But I really like this. The girl, she's just simply wearing her hair up in a bun, and she just looks, I don't know, I think it's just a really pretty, girly, kind of feminine like picture. And I don't know if you can see, you might in the close-up, but she's actually looking out onto Paris. It is the Arc de Triomphe, I believe, that she's looking out onto, and it's just big window, big curtains flung open, and I really like it, especially because it's black and white. It's just, it is my favourite print I've got in my whole house, this one. So this is size, this size is the 30 by 40, and this cost me £13.95. I will be putting below the links to all of these prints, and it's not sponsored at all. I absolutely love Desenio and I use everybody else's sponsored codes to get money off, so why not? So this one, as you can see, is quite small. It's this one here I'm talking about, and this is on my desk at this side, and this is basically Wonderlist. I will show you a close-up, but this I love it. The description for it is a strong desire or impulse to wander or travel and explore the world. I like that because I love travelling, although I don't do it very often. I love the idea of travelling, go and see new things, so I keep that there, and I like to keep looking at it, and it inspires me to want to save money to go away. So this size is the 13 by 18 centimetres, and it cost £2.95. So that is the cheapest one because it is the smallest one. And there is a better close-up of the area. So my last one to talk about is actually this one right here. As you can see, I've got, that way, I've already got some. This is my gallery wall, but this is the newest one I thought I'd talk about because I've shown all the others in my how-to gallery wall, so go check that out and you'll see the pictures for all the others. This one is, it says feminism, and then it's just got like the noun and how to pronounce it underneath. But I like this, it's simple, it's got the pink in it, which this room is. So this size is the 21 by 30, it is A4, but this one is landscape, and this costs £5.95. I like to think myself as a feminist. Not a lot, oh, you know what I mean, but yes, I like to think girl power and all that. So I really like this. It looks like it's done, the pink spread across is done with lipstick, so that just makes it about makeup and beauty, makes it perfect to be inside here, do my makeup in the morning, and I really like that. It's a real nice addition to that wall. Enjoyed that video, and please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you for a brand new video next week. Thanks for watching.